Why most people never build wealth. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get richer every year while others struggle financially no matter how hard they work? The surprising truth is that building wealth isn't usually about luck, inheritance, or having a six-figure income. In fact, many high-income earners remain broke, while some average-income individuals quietly become millionaires. So what makes the difference? In this video, we're going to explore the real reasons why most people never build wealth and, more importantly, what you can do differently. Let's begin. Reason number 1, they spend everything they earn. One of the biggest reasons people never build wealth is simple. They spend all of their income. Whenever they get a raise, they upgrade their lifestyle. A better car. A bigger house. More expensive clothes. More subscriptions. More unnecessary spending. This is called lifestyle inflation. The problem is that wealth isn't built by how much you earn. It's built by how much you keep. A person earning $50,000 a year who saves and invests consistently can become wealthier than someone earning $150,000 who spends everything. The first rule of wealth building is simple: spend less than you earn. The gap between your income and your expenses is where wealth is created. Reason number 2, they don't invest. Many people believe investing is only for rich people. So they delay it. They tell themselves they'll start investing when they make more money. Next year becomes 5 years. 5 years becomes 10 years. And before they know it, they've lost decades of potential growth. The wealthy understand something most people ignore: money must work for you. If your money sits idle, inflation slowly reduces its purchasing power. Investing allows your money to grow over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Even small amounts invested consistently can create life-changing results over the long term. The biggest mistake isn't starting small. The biggest mistake is never starting at all. Reason number 3, they rely on debt. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to wealth. Many people use debt to buy things that lose value immediately. Cars. Electronics. Designer clothing. Luxury items. They spend years paying interest on purchases they no longer even use. Every dollar paid in interest is a dollar that could have been invested. Wealthy people often use debt strategically. Most people use debt emotionally. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, is this helping me build wealth, or is it taking me further away from my financial goals? That simple question can save thousands of dollars over time. Reason number 4, they choose instant gratification. Building wealth requires patience. Unfortunately, modern society encourages the exact opposite. We live in a world of instant delivery. Instant entertainment. Instant approval. Instant spending. Most people want immediate rewards. Wealth, however, is usually built slowly. It comes from years of consistent saving, investing, and smart decisions. The ability to delay gratification is one of the strongest predictors of financial success. Successful people often sacrifice temporary pleasure for long-term freedom. They understand that what they do today determines where they will be tomorrow. Reason number 5, they never learn about money. Many people spend years studying subjects in school but never learn how money actually works. As a result, they enter adulthood without understanding budgeting, investing, taxes, compound interest, wealth building. Financial literacy is one of the most valuable skills anyone can develop. The good news is that information has never been easier to access. Books, podcasts, YouTube videos, online courses. The more you understand money, the better decisions you'll make. And better decisions create better results. Never stop learning. Your financial future depends on it. Reason number 6, they don't have clear financial goals. Imagine getting into a car and driving without knowing where you're going. Most people approach money the same way. They have no specific goals. No plan. No direction. Without goals, it's easy to waste money and lose motivation. Successful wealth builders set clear targets. They know exactly what they're working toward. A debt-free life. A house. Financial independence. Early retirement. When you have a goal, every financial decision becomes easier. Goals turn dreams into plans. And plans create results. Reason number 7, they believe wealth is only for other people. Perhaps the most damaging reason of all is mindset. Many people believe wealth is something reserved for lucky people. They assume rich people had special advantages. They convince themselves they'll never succeed financially. This belief becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. People who don't believe wealth is possible rarely take the actions necessary to build it. The truth is that wealth is often the result of habits, discipline, patience, and consistency. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be born rich. You simply need to start making better financial decisions today than you did yesterday. Conclusion. Most people never build wealth because they spend too much, invest too little, rely on debt, seek instant gratification, ignore financial education, lack clear goals, and limit themselves with negative beliefs. The good news? Every one of these problems can be fixed. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through small, consistent actions repeated over many years. Start saving. Start investing. Keep learning. Stay patient. And remember, your financial future is being shaped by the decisions you make today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more personal finance and wealth building content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.